Ofa me chiao.
Me do so.
Ofa me tonka.
You okay?
Na anopa wo sin komo yi.
Sir John, I'm coming at cancel. Say, my pension 8 years. What the kind I'm paying for one. And a coin beer, maybe a fossil in the early 90s, you know, everything and sending me if you charge no and send them, and I will say different. Sir John, for my
Akoma FM 87.9.
Maybe I convinced. Sorry, I'm check you for you. My convinced to say. Nipa o my Ghana abeswa chama Ghana intimi fan to my parents from Ghana enkwani the well educated population of Ghana yen ya be a perennial challenge for Ghana sejo
and so I don't know can say no
yen am can say no
said ya wo kan na me so chire mu san
yen chire say yen ya hia mo ni tutu akwan akoye gmo abonten aba your international exposure. Yen ya be o menya this one. You can't tell me challenger as a idea. Yet the ones I intend to want to say, John, she's one client can agree. Say, the little Mayama and people in DC in the last 34 years. No, your authority will call no Yaba, we call no Yaba. I attract you for training before. I hope I see you. Your background, you get to a point where you're outside of Jabudi. Abba, you have a son, your money. He said, John, after 34 years, the resources are by yourself. And in your man, or my saka. Yes, and now you say to her, you can't see a more kind of anokaya. It is all about planning. You need planning. Say, John, you are quite nearby. You are okay. You be in Ada. Emergency better, and I will be better. Over 20 years, you know, get me. Obakola is the biggest anywhere. They don't get out there. They don't. You have a minute, Japan makes a share, yes, Sunday will close home. Look at them, Japan. And to me, you have politics. You are so quiet, you don't know. You make your pleasure or my dear soon. Now I do baby. Get in the question. What did this young opportunity? I ran on man under the longest republic of about 34 years. And say, don't. 34 years is long enough a period to play water or paper. Now, but I pass up as a year. 34 years, why do you say complaint? Then I was really, and I really, yes, I have one too many. It appears as a new woman. Because in simply why you're calling yourself about the come what's in the many kids now, many and people kids now. Na me ka se be ne papa chenwe we dey papa chenwe na mo
ye ne akodi sika no e na mo be sign ye na ye ne cut sort
this unnecessary political competition so and some how do we will continue on this track because among the two political parties and then you need to because you need opportunity they are running on marriage. There were personal relationships at a certain levels. Commonsensically, can't we transfer that relationship into a functional relationship? A bit my boy, I'm not solving or many problems. Let's say, no, Sabi, yes, Sabi, you say. You know, will be any people who could take a TV show. I say, you could grab one thing, so you believe the are you about? What does it mean? What does it say? Our main problems are yes, some lecture who are the place and Ghana, baby Ghana, about the black between. Say, John, you have issues, you have great issues, you have black white. Say, John, you remember what I believe in the Kawas in Dimo. And then, moment of we said, baby, will be also kind of let me be at said the ones who pension again. Baby, I can't. Say, John, and near my we bet to her, my money we see now. Say, John, in the interview, you must say, I don't know about the Abana opera or educate with an iron sugar. If indeed we are doing the right thing, I didn't say. and the signs are clear. John, no program or policy are maybe by within 4 years or 8 years or whatever. On some baby free BBS. John, you might say, you are going to Professor William. You can't miss any name on the king kind. You never know. Says John, in the last 54 years, we are colony, we are building, we are restructuring. We are already doing new things at a separated reference and giving period. We balance that to us. In the last 17 years, your tax ratio, tax revenue to GDP ratio has been hovering around 12.4% in the last 17 years. Better than one Bobosia.
Say, Adianwa Casanwa, say, what Nancy Dean now, Junior Juan. Would the oldie kind or the same common as no, no crap. Yes, and before no, I who say I could see a dear Kusia Nimudia too quiet, Konya experience. At the Bassin experience, no. Yeah, can a car buying a bo Ghana, a boarding crowford, a too quiet so moon Kusia dear, and Famra. Ministers, a too quiet Koshadia. Omun koshem kosia onye so omun kona omun visa na ese omun nyi na omun document mu niam mu nya fewu on konkosia nkoshe bibi meka emfa meboa oba nothing omun koda bia we ya mampani wo UK wo mu di akire nya asem ketwa
sejo media Akoma 87.9 politicians are Ghana. Mr. McCown, we are not honest. You know, man. I will say it, myself included. Sedon, you know, man. Because Sedon, we need to know idea and we're going back to be sure. Whatever we have results. Sabe, we because my dream, you know, me trust you. No matter what. What are the idea? Sedon, they can't assume this drama. One moment be accurate. You baby, you know, let's talk for one the sugar point. And we are using the same old method now to solve the problems. Problem then yet not solve.
Akoma FM 87.9.
That problem then yet not solve. The paper 1 year down here, no one saw back, no one saw back to us. Central market as someone working. Say no. I have an information say if free was such a big person, ever preventing. Chicago, I'm saying, can you cool for market and any central market, you know, in Chicago, we're going to have. And you ask yourself, I didn't know anything every segment. Price variations now, echo very narrow. Anything is what is the justification? I need more broke market.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Say no, Miss Lamabine. And this is a Miss. Say, I'm for you. Express food, you know, a very yesterday, a cathedral empty before. You pass them a new free there, you pisca. Yamma get a fence and a crack commercial highway in existing one, no diversions in rehabilitation works and express food in Tedon. And not by investment making. Yamma running concurrently because Sayani a two position. And I believe Rebecca is almost by express or by a coin what this city to miss 3 hours, 4 hours. And that's something that you have to
Akoma FM.
Tedon, and you have something that you have a cancer one. A crowd will be video about the 2 friends Facebook. A sheet, you have 3 hours, you have 4 hours. And yes, you get a castle. A crowd requires Tedon, Santa Yawo, a crowd in Ghana, and can change you. My penny the meeting about come a better come a radio, we be hiding a check. But they are notional, we should pay attention to it. Any position. If we are prior money running concurrently, we equal, never yet echo. You can hear.
Okay.
The choir is possibly a name of member. They don't quite back in Kayi. Yet, can say, you better know the bad them who will be a predict for their money. Anyway,
I just remind of a PV that's not paying.
They don't want to touch or maybe you are what do what is critical six again most of that. Your problems, you know, I catch you for a moment, you need problem now. You ain't not near money one time, say. It's in me. the next 20 years will be a better convention. A point when you first do a man again. We will start fixing the problems permanently. Yeah. They don't be share and how many times in a single digit inflation? How many times in about 15% growth rate? We need to move from the growth rate to economic development. Once you attain economic development, the growth rate becomes what? A derivative. Economic growth will it will not increase our production. But once we attain economic development, now if you say now the Akoma buy, once I say economic growth will move right away to the path of what? Economic development. That's it.
Over PV, that's it. Ibrahim, nanka wo ka bibi ato me de no so. O kwa na edo mutu no nanka wo ka bibi.
Sir John.
Panifo no mutu kwan no.
Panifo no tu kwan omuko. Forget about akwantu no kra omuko. Most of them